Hi guys, welcome to this session in Microsoft OneNote. In this module, I want to show you how you can insert a printout or attach a file into OneNote. So first of all, I'm on the Insert tab and you have this option, File Printout. If I click on it, it gives me access to my computer. And if I just select one of these are just thumbnails. There it is. So it's exactly as if I just printed something off and there it is. So instead of a hard copy, I've got it on OneNote. Now I've got Word open down the bottom here with some text. If I do Control P for print, I've got no printers installed, so it's going to go to OneNote. When I click on print, it opens up OneNote, which I need to get back into to see the list of sections and pages that are available. If I scroll down to the bottom, the one I'm on is called printout, so I want it to sit on here. I click OK to that, and then that is now sitting on here. Now it's overwritten the previous thing because I had it selected. Now you can change the size of that, etc., etc. But what you can't do at the moment is edit it. If I start typing, I'm just basically creating another container there, look, so I'll get rid of that. And I'll just leave that one next to this, like so. Now you can also, as you can see there, attach files. Now if I click on one, and I'll just navigate to some examples that I've got on this computer and use one of them. I use an Excel file. Now I'll go for charting. This has got loads and loads of different sheets in it, and all of them have got little charts on. If I open that one, click insert, gives me these three options. Do I want to attach it, insert it, or just insert a chart or table? So I'll do the attachment first. So it comes in like a shortcut, and if I double click on that, it will open up the file. And there is the actual file. Close that down. Don't want to save anything. Go back into OneNote. So that's the attachment. Now if I do it again, I pick the same file, so charting. This time I'll use that, insert spreadsheet, see what it does this time. Depending how big the file is, it depends how long this takes. This is quite a big file, to be honest. But what you're going to get here is all the sheets from that file. So I've come all the way down to the bottom. These are all different sheet tabs in that file because you can see them all. So that's the first one, and you can see all of them like so. So the whole thing has come through into OneNote. Now I'm going to get rid of this because it's taking up a lot of the screen area. Get rid of it like that. Now the last one on there is insert. I'll pick the same file again. Bottom option, a chart or table. So now what's it going to do? It's giving me the option from that file to pick what I want to come in. So you've got column chart there. So I'll just tick that and then click OK. And it should just bring that first page in, that first sheet, which was the Waterloo casualties, as opposed to the whole file. So lots of flexibility with these two options that you can just bring things in as and when you want them. And you can also send things from other programs. And once it's in there, you can edit it as you would expect to edit anything that comes in. You can move it, resize it. You can do whatever you want to it, copy, cut it, and things like that. Now, you've got copy text from the page, copy text, and things like that. Now, that's quite a useful feature when you're bringing in images. So what I want to do is just get rid of this and show you how this would work. What I need is to get an image from the internet and with some text on it, and then you can see how that works. So I'll just get onto the internet and get myself an image. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use this screen clipping feature here. Now I've got a website open, BBC website, so I'll click on that. It will allow me to grab some text and a picture. So I'll go for the Olympics. Let's go for this picture. Now that's just going to drop the picture in, but what you can do, if you right click on this, you can copy text from picture and then it will allow you to paste it outside of that. And then this is just a normal text thing, so you can just type at the end of that. I think that's a really cool feature. So I'll do that again. So you've got the screen clipping. You go and grab whatever you want. So a good one, I'll go get a different one. So right click, copy text, click away, paste, and then you've grabbed that in. So that'll just be up there, separated from this. You can also use screen clipping to grab things off your own computer. So what I've got here is I've got some figures in an Excel spreadsheet. Let's say that I want to grab some of this stuff to be in OneNote. I'll just do this. Make sure that window's directly behind this OneNote window, which it is. Then you do screen clipping. It shows you that window. You get a little cross there. Now, whatever you grab is what's going to be in OneNote. So I've just grabbed that and it's sitting in OneNote like so. So that's quite useful, screen clipping. Now I do that, when I do manuals, I use that quite a lot in Word. Same sort of procedure, you just grab the thing from behind. You've also got the option in Word for grabbing the window, not just a bit of a window. Now next to that, you've got pictures. When you click in there, you've got from file, from camera, or online. Now if I just do from file, the same process will apply. It basically gives you access to your computer, and then you've got to go and find the pictures that you want. So mine are in examples, and then archive, and then photos. So I've got lots of photos in here, nature, whatever. These are the Microsoft default ones. I'll just bring that one in. So you get the picture coming in, and there you go. Now I've put that inside this frame, this container, so it came into that, but it's basically got its own container. And there you've got a picture which you can do whatever you want to. Now, one last thing I want to talk about in this little section is this printout that we did initially. I said you can't edit this, but what you can do is similar to what you did there, where you copy the text. If I right click on it, it says copy text from the printout, come down a bit, paste it, and then you can edit it. So now this is, you can mess about with this, do whatever you want, like so. Make it bold, delete some stuff, change it, type it. Really useful feature that. And obviously you can copy it back into Word or Excel, whatever you want to do, if you so wish. So that's all I want to talk about in this little section. Thanks for your time. I'll catch you in the next one.